For this repair, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and replacement part. Keep all removed screws and parts for later reassembly. Before starting, power off Bob by pressing and holding the play button. Next, remove the side brushes. Pull up to remove them. Then, remove the 8 screws for the bumper attachments. Remove the bumper attachments and set it aside. Flip Bob over to remove the bumper. Disconnect the circuit plug that is connected to the bumper. Then remove the bumper. Install Bob's new bumper. Reinstall the bumper attachments. Lastly, replace the side brushes.